Bentar, bentar, bentar. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 6, and now we're going to presenting about consumer motivation and personality. The dynamics of motivation. The dynamics of motivation divided into two categories. The first one is needs. There are two types of needs. The first one is biogenic needs. Biogenic needs sustain physical existence, food, water, air protection of the body, and sex. And the next one is psychogenic needs. It's motivational force that are learned from our parents, social environment, and interaction with others. And the next one is goals. Goals are the sort of the result of motivated behavior. Buyer's action are driven by two sets of goals. The first one is generic goals are outcomes that consumers seek in order to satisfy physiological and psychological needs. And the next one, product specific goals are outcomes that consumers seek by using a given product or service.
Okay, and the next one is Maslow hierarchy of needs. So this is consists of five, which is psychological needs. The physiological needs are biological needs consisting of oxygen, food, water, and others. And safety and security needs when all psychological needs are met and no longer control the mind and behavior, then the need for security will become active. The next one is social needs. The next is social needs, which are disaffection and love. This need is vital to overcome the feeling of loneliness and isolation from social relationship. And the next one is ego needs. This need includes self-esteem and respect, which ultimately makes men strong and confident. And the last one is self-actualization need. Maslow describes self-actualization as a person need to be and do something he has believed in.
Okay, the next one is the dynamics of motivation. First one is hidden motives. Hidden motives are secret ways that affect days, and sometimes individuals don't even realize these ways. In the 1950s and 1960s, psychologist Ernest Dichter did studies to find out this hidden reason. And the next one is motive and technology. Knowing why consumers interact with brands online allows marketers to increase engagement that ultimately leads to sales. First one is interest in buying and comparing products features online, find personalizing products fun, receiving good customer service, and winning prize and receiving free product samples. Sorry, Tiara.
And the next one is personality development. So this is Freudian theory. Freudian theory posits that unconscious drives, especially sexual and biological, influence human motivation and personality. It involves three systems, which is the impulsive id, the moral superego, and the balancing ego. And the next one is non-Freuderian theory. Non-Freuderian theory expand on this, emphasizing the role of social relationship in personality development. Elder focus on rational goals and overcoming inferiority. Sullivan on performing rewarding relationship, and Horney classified individuals into compliant, aggressive, or detached categories. Marketers apply these theories to understand consumer behavior and tailor product positioning based on personality types.
Frustration and defense mechanism. Frustration and defense mechanism divided into uh, seven categories. The first one is aggression. In response to frustration, individual may resort to aggressive behavior in attempting to protect their self-esteem. The next one is rationalization. People sometimes resolve frustration by inventing plausible reasons for being unable to attain their goals. The next one is regressions. An individual may react to a frustrating situation with childish or immature behavior. And the next one is withdrawal. Frustration may be resolved by simply withdrawing from the situation. And the next one is projection. An individual may redefine a frustrating situation by projecting blame for his or her own failures and inabilities on other objects or persons. And next one is daydreaming. Fantasizing enables the individual to assign imaginary gratification of unfulfilledness. And the last one is identification. People resolve feelings of frustration by subconsciously identifying with other person or situation that they consider relevant.
Okay, and the next one is anthropomorphism. So product personality and gender. Product get gender traits like Tracy Jones being feminine and Mr. Calvin masculine. Culture differ in assigning gender. Coffee and toothpaste might be masculine, while bath soap is seen as feminine. Hispanic shoppers link traits to retailers, like Walmart as a detail-oriented businesswoman, Old Navy as a friendly woman who gardens, and the next one is product personality and geography. Brand tied to location enhance likability. Philadelphia cream cheese made in Illinois, associated with U.S. history. Texas-based barbecue sauce from New Jersey. Connect with Texas. Old El Paso salsa from Minneapolis taps into Southwest appeal. Twin Cities salsa lack the same allure, despite being from Minneapolis, St. Paul.
And for the study case is the impact of motivation toward fast food restaurant Carl's Jr. Consumer motivation, driven mainly by psychological needs, plays an important role in influencing purchasing decisions at Carl's Jr. Maslow's hierarchical need theory suggests that individuals are motivated to meet their basic psychological needs, such as hunger, before moving to higher level needs such as social ownership and self-esteem. Research findings that many consumers view Carl Jr. as a perfect place to relax with friends and family, suggesting that restaurants serve as social hubs that satisfy their needs for social interaction and connection. It shows how psychological factors such as the desire for social membership can influence consumer behavior and decision-making process at Carl's Jr., emphasizing the importance of creating a friendly and social environment within a restaurant to meet this need.
So for the conclusion is the research study on consumer behavior at Carl's Jr. in Surabaya and Jakarta highlight the significant impact of psychological factors, particularly Maslow's hierarchy of needs, emotional motivation, and attitude on consumer purchasing decisions. The findings suggest that understanding and catering to consumer emotional and attitudinal motivation are crucial for influencing their choices at a restaurant. While emotional motivation plays a key role for consumers in Surabaya, those in Jakarta are more influenced by their attitude toward the brand. The case also emphasizing the importance of providing innovative menu options, creating a welcoming environment for social gathering, and considering the psychological needs of consumers to enhance their dining experience and drive purchasing decision at Carl's Jr. Okay, and that's it, the presentation from our group. Thank you and have a nice day.